Most modern EVs look like refrigerators on wheels, but not this one. This is the 2026 Renault 5 E-Tech. And it's the car that just made the electric segment exciting again. It's got the soul of a 70s legend, the tech of a flagship, and a price tag that actually makes sense. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're seeing if this tiny French powerhouse is the ultimate city car for the electric age. Underneath that retro skin is the all-new AmpR Small platform. You've got two choices: the 40 kilowatt urban battery or the 52 kilowatt. Comfort range, we recommend the 150 horsepower version. It'll zip you to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 8 seconds. But the real magic is the handling. Unlike most small EVs, Renault gave the 5 a multi-link rear suspension. It's making it one of the most agile and fun to-drive hatchbacks on the road today. It doesn't just drive, it dances. Step inside. And it's a masterclass in digital retro. You get dual 10-inch displays running Google built-in, meaning Google Maps and Spotify just work. But meet Renault, your new AI avatar. He's not just a voice. He's a character that helps you schedule charging or precondition the cabin. And if you're a fan of cool tech, the R5 features V2L and V2G capability. That means your car can power your coffee machine at a picnic or even sell energy back to the grid during peak hours. If you want to go full luxury, the Roland-Garros Special Edition is the one to get. It comes in an exclusive shadow gray with clay-colored accents inspired by the French Open tennis courts. Look at this, the gear shifter is designed to feel like a tennis racket grip. And with 3D-printed interior accessories like the baguette holder or custom storage bins, the level of personalization here is unmatched by any rival from VW or Stellantis. The 2026 Renault 5 E-Tech proves that the future of driving doesn't have to be boring. It's stylish, smart, and a total bargain. Would you take this over a Mini Cooper, say? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. I'll see you on the next charge.